let's learn how to fold a paper airplane. So the first thing you need is a piece of paper. I'm using a piece of scrap paper that I had, and put it so that the long sides, the long piece is going side to side. And you're gonna fold it like a hot dog. So you're gonna fold it in half to make one long, skinny piece of paper, and try to match up the corners the best you can. And once you've matched them up, push down really hard, just like that, so you get a nice big crease. And then when you open it up, you're gonna have a dent in your paper, and your paper will kind of flap from side to side. Okay, so go ahead and fold it in half, just like that, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, when you're ready, take this bottom corner and you're gonna fold it all the way in to the middle line. So you're gonna fold it until it lines up. There's my middle line. I'll even put a pencil. I'll put a mark to show you. Here's my middle line. So you're gonna take this corner and you're gonna fold it all the way in till it lines up with that line. And you're gonna push down really hard. So you've got a triangle right here. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take the other corner, fold it all the way in. So you have created a pointy. So you have two triangles, and this bottom part looks like a square, okay? Now, this is where it gets a little tricky, and you might have to make a couple, so be patient. It took me a while to figure out how to do this. Now, take this corner right here. See where this triangle piece is? And you're gonna fold the whole thing so that this corner here lines up with the middle. So fold it all the way in, and you don't have to push down hard. You can do it gently. That way, if it doesn't work, you can try again. So you're gonna fold it all the way in, and once you've lined it up, push down really hard, just like that, okay? Now you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna take this side and you're gonna fold it all the way in, and look, they meet right here. And you're gonna fold them so you get a point at the top, and there is the first part of your paper airplane. Now here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna fold it in half. So you're gonna fold it on the line. So fold it up and squish it down. And now you're ready to make the wings. So now your paper airplane looks like this, okay? You're gonna take one side and you're gonna take the wings, and you can fold it down as much as you want. You can try a couple. You could fold it a little bit, you could fold it a lot, and you could try a couple different paper airplanes to see if they fly the same or different. If you make the wings big or you make the wings little. I'm gonna make these wings pretty big. So once you've folded it down, push really hard to make a crease, because that's the most important part when you're making a paper airplane, is you wanna have really strong creases. So really push with your fingers. And then you're gonna flip it over, and you're gonna make a wing on this side. You're gonna push really hard and make a crease, and your paper airplane is ready to go. Now, when you're watching this video, you can always push pause. If I have moved a little too fast for you, you can always pause the video and catch up. You can go back and watch it again, all right? And you have to practice. You might not be able to make your paper airplane on the first try, and that's okay. It took me a really long time to learn how to do this. I've made so many paper airplanes. And once you've made your paper airplane, you're gonna use it for math today, all right? And so go watch the math video and find out what we're gonna do with our paper airplane.